Hey guys, welcome back to
P7.
This is Key here.
And this is Rush, the Jamaican in the building, aka Blondie Dread. Wagwan, wagwan, our good and faithful people.
Wagwan indeed, as you can see by the title today, we're getting into Chainsaw Man. Jesus help us all. So we're going to watch episodes 2 and 3. We left off with Denji getting into the trap of a devil, a zombie devil or corpse devil, whatever one it is called. And he got cut up into a million pieces, but Pacha, the devil dog, he sacrificed himself and bonded with Denji to save his life, only in order for Denji to complete his wish.
Yes.
That he wanted.
You felt the compassion and you felt sorry and you felt the pain that Denji was going through as well. So, you know.
Almost similar. Denji became his best pal after Denji's father committed suicide. So Denji had a hard life, selling his body parts as well as working for this loan shark or gangster guy. But the gangster guy is dead, so no more debt is basically owed. Right now, Denji is about to start his new life as a devil hunter.
Yeah, aka pet.
Yeah, he became a pet. Yeah, I feel like he became a pet either way. I think it's for better conditions, but he still is a pet. So, without further ado, let's continue on.
Need some yummy in my tummy.
That was my stomach. Huh?
You have agreed to become my pet, so you're officially under my care now. Which means woof or yes are all you say. Things like no don't come out of my dogs.
You're kidding, right?
Jesus.
I'm giving you some perspective.
People always call me dirty and smelly and straight up avoid me.
You ain't gonna sit, boy?
Nobody ever acts this nice.
What's the grand total?
Denji?
I'm sorry. Those creeps weren't the only ones.
He was fainting as well as loving the lumps that he landed on.
Awesome. That's such a huge boy.
He's still fainting again.
Still haven't eaten yet.
Say Like it? It's endearing to see someone enjoy some beauty.
Help me! Even though she said, what, no? Or wolf or yes or wolf?
No, she said yes or wolf. No, it does not exist to her.
Makima, do you have a type? Like in guys?
Well,
Straight out the gate.
It's safe to say Miss Makima has a thing for me. If the two of us work together, we eventually get together. And then if we get together, we can do that stuff together.
Oh my god.
I want to do that stuff so bad.
The couple
you
thing.
listening? You're going to shadow him for the day, Denji.
I thought you and me would be working together.
No, Bobby.
Well, you figured wrong. She's a lot of your baby don't even play the same sport.
Damn.
Right out the gate. At least he landed some soft garbage.
Nobody wouldn't land on no damn garbage.
Bingo.
Then I'm glad I beat the crap out of you.
Damn.
Yeah.
Right in the nuggets. Right in the nuggets.
I thought you were full of it when you said you wasted kindness on me. But you are.
Oh.
Yeah.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh my god.
7 nuggets for him.
I had some mood on for the first.
If someone ever do that to you, just hypothetically, would you be getting up after that?
No. Not after 7 nuggets.
First time ever today. I also ate a sausage.
Damn.
Talk too much.
Here they go fisticuffs.
See, a woman like Makima is way too good for a thug like you. Huh? What the hell? Yeah, you're just saying that because you want it for yourself, huh? No, yeah!
8. You gotta return back.
A testicle devil appeared and went apeshit on his like
You gotta lie.
He's lying. He might fuck the entire thing up.
You sure about that?
I can hug her again someday.
He had that
didn't
face
know.
like
You
one.
didn't know.
He never hugged her.
Yes, and he always wanted to.
2, but he got the first chance before he did. That's what that face is saying. Oh my
Strawberry
god.
jam. I have created the ultimate toast. Oh. Whoa!
That too. I would be like that too. Oh my god.
Finish it up in there!
Sleeping on the damn toilet.
Sleep on the toilet.
No tissue.
Roommate, the worst roommate ever.
Worst roommate ever. Sleep on the toilet, make concoctions on a table, whole lot of mess. Loud. God, what else is next? There you go.
This is melons.
As in the fruit?
Idiot. At least try to pay attention. To what?
So
Exciting news. Start.
it took you from the crime scene till now.
To realize it's lifelong
It's a
dream.
dream.
Yes.
And you
Yes.
didn't pay attention to nothing that was
Nope.
going on. So you was that spaced out in your own thoughts, and just blurted out loud, melons.
Yeah, that's all his lifelong dreams are. To get them and grab them.
She got melons.
I guess it's fine. Great to meet ya.
He didn't catch on. He didn't catch on.
But since power is highly rational,
That grade 8 asshole. He
She said, I don't want him.
stuck me with this devil repellent so I can't do anything cool.
Mortals behold! The glory of the devil is mine!
She crazy.
She a mad woman.
You sure you still want to touch her boobs?
Of course. It's a madman too.
It's a lot. He still is on a leash, a lifetime leash.
Can't go nowhere, can't do anything. If he does, he's gonna die.
Yes, he gets exterminated. Machina, I think that's her name is. I think she only sees Denji as a useful object to help her with her plan. I don't know what her plan is, but she just sees him as
A plaything for now. And
Not a plaything.
And think to get someone to get things done.
okay. You believe a plaything, but I don't think it's a plaything. I think it's well, in a sense, yes, a toy that she can manipulate for her own gain. That's what she's doing with Denji. What was his name with the ponytail? He was a mess. He's a one-man show. Since he believes that anybody he gets paired with is just out for money and not for the real main goal is exterminating devils. Power.
Crazy.
She's crazy because she is a fiend, because they said fiends are devils who occupies corpse bodies, and that's what she is.
Currently, yes.
But she's crazy as hell.
No, she's several levels of crazy.
Yeah.
Not just one level. Several levels.
And this team just makes it seem like Denji's the only normal person, but he's
not normal.
He's not normal.
Yes.
Not in his way of thinking, just thinking about boobs and trying to get girls. Well, trying to get a girl to be his girlfriend.
Yeah, I guess that's more like less his human, more of his, trying to say that's more of his human side, I guess.
Yeah.
Play on, is that like a play on to that?
All right, let's continue on to episode 3.
Tres.
The one who commanded me to kill was the curse!
You liar! Jeez, stop making crap up!
I think she's afraid of her.
That's all that matters to me.
They all are.
Is that something you think?
Except for Denji, he just want to touch her.
And me too. I'm not scared of her.
Breast's intriguing. I'll let you touch mine as a reward for saving Meowy.
Fucking devil! What a tool! Snatching innocent cats!
Yep.
That ain't happening.
Blinders on.
My watch.
Blinders on. And we're out.
As a devil hunter, I say no! I'll murderize him. Straight kill the shit out of that asshole!
So your whole outlook changed when she said,
I'll let you fondle.
"I'll let you touch me."
Mm-hmm.
Come on.
That was my story, wasn't
Your story?
it? A mere slip of the tongue. Oops.
She tricked you. Damn.
With your human blood, I'll heal my arm and right the wrongs your kind committed.
Damn.
But I haven't punished you for bringing such nasty fare.
Still ate the cat.
Grow big and strong. I'm eager for the day I can
What I said?
honor you.
What I said?
Call it.
Earlier you said you'd never pet Pochita again.
My thing is, why can't she fight back?
Cough up the tits. Those are mine.
I can't.
Make my blood revolting.
He said, "Cough up the tits."
They're mine. There we go.
Why they gotta
There
show
we
that
go.
part? Why they gotta show that part?
Off with the head. Nope, off the arm again.
The same arm he just regenerated with. It's gonna get somebody's gonna land there. The quietness is so deafening.
She didn't even know it was gonna happen.
Burn, baby, burn! Oh, what the fuck? He had to survive that. But the guy survived.
I've gone through a whole lot of crap up till now.
I shouldn't have done that. I should have done that. I should have done that.
So why? Why haven't I got the cop? A single damn
Yeah, drop the gun. Keep going, baby.
I've been spit them out already. We told you.
You are so silly. So what do you thought about this episode? I think this one was more, of course, it's more action. This one, The second one was just introducing
Characters.
more characters and more people to the team.
Mm-hmm.
But they are. Everyone's a mess. Everyone's a mess in their own way. I get why Power tricked Denji because you trying to save your best friend, the one that actually cares about you, that you love and they love each other. That's the same thing with Denji with Pacha. That was his only family that he had, that stuck by him. So I understand what she did just to get her cat back, but she went the wrong way about it. She could have just said, Denji, can you help me just defeat this bat devil?
Denji wasn't there around that time, so Denji just came on board on the team.
I understand that. And she doesn't really know him.
Right.
Because she could be like, what the freak is his name?
You're talking about the one with the ponytail?
Yeah, he could have that same mentality as the one.
Aki, something?
Aki, probably his name is. I understand that. Point blank period. But in the end, hopefully she could see him with his devil form and look at him like he's half human, half devil now, and stop having that mentality, but it's whatever. Now, Aki, his thing is revenge.
Yeah, full on.
It's always that second partner, male partner, that's trying to get revenge on, for their family. Like with Sasuke, a whole Uchiha clan was killed off by his brother.
I didn't want to hear nothing.
He didn't want to hear nothing. It was just for revenge for what his brother did, but he had no reason why it happened. But
that's it. That's for revenge.
Yeah, but this one, he's like, I just watched my whole family die in front of me. So all devils are enemies. I'm not trying to befriend them.
I don't want to hear nothing. I don't want to feel nothing. That's it. They're no go to me.
But what are your thoughts? I've been talking too much.
No, the same thing. I'm in league with what you just said too. I agree with you 100%. Cause that's what we see and that's what we've both been feeding off of.
So you like 3 better than 2?
Yeah, I do, because as I said, because of the action. You get me? You see more of the action, you see more of the character, you see more of his machinery and stuff like that, and now we can kind of see that he's growing into his powers too.
I mean, he's still gotta understand his powers. He's still freshly new.
Yeah, and he don't really care about. You could say he don't really care about his powers. He mostly care about the melons, as what he said.
Yeah.
Melons, It's all about the melon.
What a
team.
great motivation.
Yeah, melon team. It is.
Alright guys, we're going to end this video here. Thanks for watching. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you like the content that we have on this channel, please subscribe down below.
And please hit the notification bell so you can stay up to date with all of our greatest and latest video, guys. Yes, ZIMI.
Most definitely, please remember to tell a friend.
To make a friend.
Keep a friend.
So we all can be friends.
Yes, ZIMI.
Big up to Real Way Entertainment. Big up to Fire Furnace. Big up to For Real Media. Big up to Key. Big up to all of our original 7s. Big up to all of our viewers and our well wishers. Please stay safe out there. ZIMI, good people.
Most definitely. And we'll see you in the next one.
Yeah, man. Stay a level on the gravel all the time.
Bye.
Blondie, out.